Presenting Sony Alpha ILCE 6000L mirrorless digital SLR camera. It is available in black color with a dimension of 4.5 into 12 into 6.7 cm and weighs just 344 grams. Sony 6000L camera comes with a 24.3 megapixel XMOR TM APS HD CMOS sensor with exposure compensation. It also comes with BIONZX image processing engine. Sony Alpha camera comes with 179 AF points coverage that covers nearly the entire screen. The AF tracking feature allows continuous shooting of up to 11 FPS and the image sensor enables 4D focus for sharp focus on moving objects. It also comes with IAF for fast, effective eye detection while shooting stills and with tilted LCD screen and OLED True Finder EVF that delivers 100% frame coverage and a wide viewing angle. This compact and lightweight mirrorless Alpha 6000 camera has an interchangeable lens, 54 native mirrorless lenses and E-mount system. It comes with Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity and is compatible with Android smartphone and tablets. The box includes rechargeable battery, NP-FW50, lens SELP1650, AC adapter, AC UB10, shoulder strap, micro USB cable, lens cap, power cord and eyepiece cup. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.